Hi, I'm Brie Arthur, gardener and foodscaping expert, and I'm here to talk to you today about Soil3 Compost. As an avid gardener, I've grown to rely on the quality black magic compost that Supersod provides me. I was first introduced to Soil3 several years ago and was instantly impressed with the quality and convenience of Supersod's big yellow bag. I just emailed to schedule delivery, and right on time, a truck arrived and placed my bag in the spot I had marked on my driveway. I couldn't wait to open the bag and dip my hands into the chocolate cake mix soil. I was already dreaming about the abundant harvest that would follow after top dressing my landscape beds. Here's the deal. I love soil, like in a not so well adjusted way. Soil is the most important part of being a successful gardener, but it's often the aspect that people ignore. Sure, it may not be as sexy as the flashy plants, but the truth is, more than 80% of my garden budget is devoted to compost. If you're living in the Southeast, you know the native soils, both red clay and sand, are seriously lacking in organic matter. What Soil3 offers is a blend of the very best organic matter that's well aged, which will maximize your plant's successful growth. Healthy plants literally start with healthy soil, and it's the most important part of being a successful home gardener. Organic matter also improves soil structure and can fix compacted soils. Now, it's really important to remember, plant roots grow in the airspace between soil particles, which is why adding Soil3 is so critical for your long-term success. This is why we're talking about Soil3 compost from Supersod. Look at this gorgeous black magic. Soil3 is compost made from 3 local controlled ingredients, and it's OMRI certified. OMRI listed means that it's gone through a rigorous certification process, and it's on their safe list for organic gardening and farming. Something that makes Soil3 unique is that it's aged in these huge windrows. Everything here is cooked to 160 degrees to ensure that there's no weed seeds. And everything here is wetted and turned, which is what makes it turn into true humus compost. Humus is organic matter broken down into its finest particles. Since Soil3 is already fully decomposed from months of turning and wetting and aging, your plants begin to use these nutrients as soon as they get planted. Unlike using other soil amendments, Soil3 won't rob nitrogen from your plants. Look how beautiful and rich and dark it is. Now you might be wondering, can I make my own compost at home? And of course you can. I love to compost my kitchen scraps, but I'll never be able to get enough compost from that. And that's why composters like this are great to have at home, but I still rely on Soil3 to meet all of my gardening needs. Whew, it's great to be back in the garden. The most impressive thing about Soil3 is that you can plant directly in it. While it's great for top dressing your beds, your lawns, tree roots, what I love to be able to do is plant all of my favorite vegetables, including things like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and all of my favorite leafy greens. But it's not just for vegetables. I grow all of my favorite flowers and ornamental plants right in Soil3 too. Soil3 is the magic dirt you've been looking for. It improves all soil types, from clay to sand, and it grows better plants. From raised beds to containers, Soil3 never fails to impress. So contact Supersod to receive nutrient-rich Soil3 compost. It's your insurance policy for the health of your lawn, garden, and yourself.